Hello everyone, and welcome to another Flatpicking and bluegrass guitar lesson. I wrote cross-country train to practice some cross-picking, and I like to play cross-picking with a down-down-up pattern. And in the song I'm basically using always the same pattern that goes like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, and I am apply that pattern to some chords. And I always want to have the melody louder than the other notes, and the melody is happening on the 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 1, okay? By the way, you can find a fuller breakdown video lesson and the tablature at my channel through Fire. It's called Flatpicking Experience, or you can also find the whole lesson with a play along video and tabs and everything at my store. You can find the links in the description as usual. Anyway, so first phrase again. Right after that, I play a G-run, and then I go back to my simple melody. Okay, so I want to play again from the top. This is the main melody. G-run. Again. Okay. I play a little hammer-on here, and I land on the G string instead of landing on the D string. And then I go to A minor, G, F, and I play the 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 like this. Strums. And then I reply to that like this. So the melody again goes like ta 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 ta. And then I repeat, and I stay there, and I go back to the top. So now you want to play everything from the very top again. Hammer on, A minor, G, F, F, G, C, A minor, G, F, and now instead of keep strumming, I play pa pa pa, that melody. So that's the very end. Let me play the last phrase one more time. finished. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I think it's a good simple little melody to practice some cross picking, make it smooth, make it flowing, right? And the left hand is not doing much here, so we can work on the right, on the tone. We can work on, yeah, making the cross picking really going and flowing. All right, so if you like the video and if you enjoy the video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you inside my instructional channel over at TrueFire. Again, it's called Flatpicking Experience. Okay, so join the channel and I will see you there. Bye bye.